Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, this is day 3 in the garden. And the garden look a mess right now, but I guarantee you in a few months you're gonna be seeing something completely different. Alright, I wanna introduce you guys to my garden tools. This is a shovel. This is a machete. And this is a hoe. I have a bigger one than this, but this is a small one that I'm using right now. These were magic. These are magical in my garden. Just these 3 tools. Okay? These are my favorite, and sometimes I use a pick. But guys, yes, what I want to show you guys, I'm still walking, preparing the bed and everything, but I want to show you guys, like how I do it. Okay? I'm very interested in growing my food natural. Very interested in that. I am very serious about my garden. I take pride in doing my garden. I don't play when come on my garden. If you look at my garden, you're gonna see it look as natural as possible. I'm not trying to make it fancy because I just want to have a natural, beautiful garden that produces well for me. All right. So let me just wake up this thing and show you guys my soil. Okay. So right now, if you notice here, you still seeing leaf. You're still seeing leaf, but that's fine. That's okay. And you still could plant even though you see in the leaf. That's no problem. What's gonna happen? They're gonna break down eventually. So all these leaves that you see fall in the garden, all I'm gonna do, mix them in with the soil. Let me give you a little idea of how I do it. So you see everything here. Now watch what I do. I turn it over. That's all I do. Put it down, turn it over. Put it down, turn it over. Put it down, turn it over. So what I'm doing, I'm mixing the soil and the leaf. I'm not going to plant anything in this area right at this time because I'm just preparing. So by the time this ready for planting, everything is good. All these sticks, we leave them, break them up in pieces, drop them back there. What we do, we dig, turn it over. Okay? Just like that, this bed is getting ready. What I do now, I come back another day and I start digging the holes to plant what I want to plant. Okay, so I'm mixing everything in. That's all you gotta do. Turn it over. So the dirt getting on all the leaves and all the sticks. And it helps it to break down even faster. You see guys, I eat from my garden, and if you notice, I can walk without tired. Okay, I can just keep going like a machine. Health is important. The food you eat is important. So yes, right here you can see everything is ready. My soil is so soft and nice. Now, you leave this to break down and you go to it. Let me do this area here again. I'm gonna do the same thing. just like what I now did there. All I do, I turn it over. Turn it over to all these leaves. This is good, man. You put that right back in there, and you dig, and you cover it. 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 So what I'm doing now, I'm getting the soil ready. So when the weather change, this soil already just waiting for the plant to go in. It's just waiting, you know. The soil is so soft and nice. You see guys, just like that. And this ready. Let me get a little idea about soil. You see, this soil is very, you could see it. It's gonna take, when you have soil like this, even you ain't get rain, it's gonna take a lot of time for the sun to dry out this soil. Even, and remember I tell you about the way I plant them. So this is why I do not wet these plants. From the time they start growing, that's it, these plants survive, okay? But it have a lot to do with how you plant your food. And like I always say, I don't care where you live in, there's certain things you just have to do when come on certain plant, if you really want something from them, okay? Okay, so this is what we're doing, guys, but I'm just showing you that all you need to do is turn over the soil. This soil is rich, this soil is good. Like I say, guys, I've been working on this soil for years, so I already know what I have here. But every year I still try to add leaves and other things in the garden, okay? With this one, I'm gonna dig holes. I'm gonna dig holes for this one, because I'm gonna plant some stuff tomorrow. So I'm just gonna get the holes ready. All right, guys, so I don't wanna just do this. I don't wanna just do this and make the video about that, but I'm just showing you what's going on. So all over here, what you see going on over here, you see all these dry sticks, everything. This is what make your garden natural, guys. This is what make your garden natural. Because these are stuff that make your garden natural and the leaf. I want to give you 3 leaf that does magic in your garden. 3 leaf that give magic in your garden. I always talk about leaf, but when you talk about leaf that do magic, is pine, is maple, and oak. Pine leaf, maple leaf, and oak leaf do magic in your garden. They have a lot of mineral and nutrition for the soil. When they rotten away in your soil, it become magic, okay? I have this tree here, but it ain't break down as yet. But these are the things that I use and put around it for my compost. Leaf, rotten tree chunk, and these things. So right now, guys, the garden ain't look as beautiful as it should, but at this time, what can you expect? All right. So now, as you see, we have leaves everywhere. All these are leaves. Most of these leaves is pine, not maple, pine, and oak. Let me just show you something. Watch it. I'm gonna just show you something. Look at that. Look at this. You see this? This is basically leaf that break down. Okay? What I'm gonna take this and do, I'm gonna put it in one of these holes over here. Okay? Let me show you. So after adding that kind of compost, what you do, you put this in the hole and you mix it up. You mix it up. So right now, this is just waiting for the plant. But I'm just trying to show you guys exactly what is going on. Guys, if you follow my lead, you're gonna create a super soil in your garden that produce beautiful plants, healthy plants, rich with nutrition, minerals, and whatever you need. Let your garden be your pharmacy. Let your garden able to heal you. All right? So what I'm going to do here now, I'm looking for soil. I'm looking for soil to sow some seed. So what I do, I come here and I dig it up right here. Look at that. Okay, just like that. It ain't cost me a dime. It did not cost me a dime. You see that, right? Not a dime. So now, this is just compost I have here, and this is ready for seed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video motivate you guys. Peace, love, and blessing to each and every one of you. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Peace.